Here we go. Next job. We've got to change the waste there.
Change the waste. Look at that.
Look at what they've done.
It's snapped off. So then what someone's done is used some sort of
gunky resin.
Yeah, like a resin to try and stick that together. But then obviously it's snapped off. So now the problem with that is though, getting that off.
Yeah, it's a nightmare.
It's a nightmare to get off. So what I'm going to do, a load of multi-sol, try and let that multi-sol seep in, but that's probably not going to happen. And then up and around there.
Right, you got a leak, bro.
Yeah. Up and around there, a load of multi-sol around it. Let that set for a minute and see if we can twist that out. But while we do that, I'm going to get this off because this is wrong. Load of multi-sol there as well, and we're going to repair this little corner. A little bit of FC1 in there. Yeah, a little bit of filler. Try and tidy that up a little bit, best we can with that. And then, basically,
pull that skirting flush.
Clean that up a little bit. A little bit of multi-sol on there. Little blade, and then take that off.
And then we're going to re-mastic it in.
Yeah, pull that forward, look. See how it's been kicked back?
We'll mash up.
So figure out what's going on there as well. Sort this all out.
Get a new waste. And a new bottle trap. There we go. A little bit of filler, the old FC1. Look at this. Filler and cork. All in one. Smarten that up a little bit. Just going to mastic all around there.
Well, I thought that was job done.
No, we've got loads to do, bro.
That looks right on my house.
Yeah, that's look right from my house. We're going to use BT1 as well down the bottom there. A little bit of white. Wow, just call us the Mario Brothers. We managed to do it. After a lot of hard, annoying work, we've managed to get the waste out. Basically, someone had resined the bottom bit onto that top, that bit.
That there? Where was that bit?
Oh, I've just put it in the bed.
Oh, because that's the bit was snapped off.
Yeah. Ah, it left half the screw in there. That's why we was having a nightmare.
That's why I was having a nightmare. And then that was on underneath the sink, and then they resined it all in, so the bottom plate, the chrome plate, was stuck to it.
And there was like a
So
massive.
look, what we're about to do there, but chisel them bits in, just to loosen that, pull on the chisel, just to give that a little bit of flex to come off.
Snapped it off. Ah, Mario and Luigi, who? Just been down the shop. Got the old pop-up waste.
Yeah.
Just getting that in there now. Didn't need to get a new bottle trap in the end.
Bottle trap
We managed to clean out the old one.
I was always, not a plumber, but I was always told, make sure you seal as much as you can on this stuff, yeah?
Mm.
So what I do is I seal that rubber on first, then seal that to that.
So then when that goes into there, you've got to seal around there as well.
Yeah.
Did Mario teach you that?
Mario.
Plonko in there.
Mario. And then I'm going to seal that on the other side as well.
She's going to be nice and tight and sealed. Here's a little quick fact about frog tape. Always keep the box.
Yeah.
Do you know why?
Yeah.
Because the paint rock technology will not work if you leave it out the case.
I knew that, bruv.
Do you know where I learned that?
Where did you learn that?
School.
I taught that to a tradesman the other week.
Yeah, no.
Because they said they throw the box away, and he said, and it keeps drying up. He said, it's not working right. I said, because you've got to keep it concealed like that in a pot.
Keep it in the pot.
In the pot. Look at that, bro.
We all good?
Look at that.
Oh, mate.
Bit of modern art right there, son.
Just call us Bill and Ben.
No.
I mean, just call us Mario and Luigi.
Mario and Luigi. Luigi.
Smashing through the job. Frog tape tip. Oh, we just got soaking wet.
Soaking? Mastic down my arm,
Changing a tap, outside tap, and right underneath where the roof is where all the water leaks down onto us. So we got soaking wet. But that's job done, resealed, basin tap in, kitchen door and tap, job done. On to the next one.